Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So to install the hair, you put the elastic.
What I waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love.
This is M&S BeautyKonzept YouTube channel. If you are first time here, this is a channel where we talk about beauty, creativities, do-it-yourself activities, lots of tutorials, and we bring you also along our beauty routines, do-it-yourself activity. Thank you once again. Now we are on the celebration time, December, like you all know. Today I'm with a special guest, an entrepreneur, Demela Creations. She is a woman I respect a lot, a woman I cherish, I honor, I adore her, I admire her. She's a woman that has done lots for herself. She's my customer. I was so happy when she told me that she wants to tell my viewers about me and lots of other things as well. So today we are going to be doing a try-on the wig she bought from me. She loves so much this wig and she's got a lot of compliments, and she has brought many references to me as well. She's a nice darling. So I'll put our website link, Demela Creations, up there. So she's a very creative woman. She's a woman of substance, a woman that knows how to be useful to herself, how to empower all other women. She's a social person. She has helped her community. She have a website where she showcases her creativity. If you are the type of person you always like, oh, I have problem, am I going to bring Africa dress? Africa dresses are on top now. If you don't know it, I'm telling you. These are the materials that are 100% cotton. They are the materials that you can wash with your machine, you can iron, you can combine everything. So also I'm going to put our website on the description box. I will also put it out there, www.demela.net. Demela, the spelling is starting with N. I will write it up there too. So you go to the website, check, wear yourself, shop, and give yourself that suitability that you cannot get from any other person. Okay, darling, you tell my viewers a little bit about you. Don't forget, we are coming to do the try-on wig as well. So tell them more about the Demela creation and how you started and what was your intention, how you want to empower women, how you want to stand as a role model, which you have already been. I've read a lot of articles about you, how you are helping your community. Even the pandemic time, she sold thousands of masks and give it to the charity organization. So there are lots of powerful women everywhere that we can emulate. So darling, tell us about the Demela creations and all of that.
Well, before I start, I wish to thank MnSBeautykonzept, BeautyKonzept, for allowing me actually talk on her platform. From woman to woman. Thank you so much. And I wish and I hope that we women can empower ourselves just like the way she is doing to me. First of all, before I start, may I actually tell you guys that I really love her wigs. and that I've been using her wigs is over 5-6 years.
I think so.
Exactly. Yeah, it's of wonderful quality. Wow. Okay, who is Demela's Creations? Okay, I actually design my things and I do them in Africa. Why in Africa? Togo, Cameroon. Why do I do them there? Because I believe in my people. I believe in what we do. Growing up in Cameroon and seeing how colorful our materials are, by then I didn't take it seriously. I took it seriously only when I came to Europe and seeing how, you know, the weather influences us here. The African fabric, actually the mustas and the colors actually brings life. And these days we have the possibilities in creating our own unique fashions using our own unique materials in doing it. And being a fashionista, I just love looking good and wearing those things, you know, our African print. It's amazing, don't forget.
And she brought it to another level. When you see the Germans in our city, any German that don't have African print, they have a minimum of 2 or 3 types. She has made it so wide, so the awareness is so large. I'm so impressed. I got a lot of inspiration from her, and I thought it's also good she inspire people watching. I know you got inspiration.
Yeah, we are. Why am I inspired? I mean, see, my grandma used to sew, and there's something we forget. We here in Europe, when we come to Europe, we were back home inspired by the Europeans on what they wear. Being here, you want to also stick to your culture. That's where you admire where you come from. We admire where we come from.
Exactly.
We admire our background. So yes, we admire our fabric, our traditional fabric. So yes, my inspiration comes from our country.
And mind you, before I forget, our dresses, our collections that I get from her, you know I am a big fan of African print. I'm a big fan of our African designer. I'm a big fan of our culture, bringing it to the world, for the world to see us with from another perspective, that we are good in what we are doing and we are proud of it. So I'm going to be putting pictures of prints of the Mela Creations that you're going to love it.
Of our fashion show.
I'll put the website also there, so you go to the website, spoil yourself a little bit, and you'll be glad you did.
I would like us to go straight to the wig so that you see her creation, because this is something I absolutely love and I would love you guys to share with me.
Thank you. So this is the wig I made for her. This is what we call the Afro Kiki Koi. It's just like the Afro natural hair. This hair you can wash with shampoo, you can condition, you can give all the coily treatment to it. This hair have a minimum of 5 years guarantee. She has been buying hair from me before. My hair are tangle free, they are easy maintenance and good to go.
You won't regret.
Yeah, so this wig is the T-zone part. The T-zone part. So I left the elastic there. Should in case when this is worn out, she can attach this, you know.
Customize.
The MnSBeautyKonzept band, elastic band, she can attach it there. So guys, watch me install this wig on my African beauty, African queen, African mother, African pride, African heiress. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So to install the hair, you put the elastic band there. The net is already there. She have hair now, but that notwithstanding, we are still good to go. We are good to go. So mind you, when installing hair, always start from front to back. From front to back. So what I really admire about this T-zone pack is that you can put it, you like to have it on the side or on the center. Oh my god, on the middle or on the side? Middle or side?
A middle for now.
Okay. The special thing about this this T-zone hairstyle, you can put it on the middle. Always shake your hair product before you. So guys, that is the look for today. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, the Mila Creation. I so much appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new, you've not subscribed, don't hesitate to do that. And please don't hesitate to go check out www.themila.net. That's our website. You'll see lots of goodies there. Once again, I remain your girl, Maggie, MnSBeautyKonzept. I'll see you guys next week, Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. For now, we'll say bye.